Namaste, and welcome to our continuing series, Quotations to Inspire and Uplift, from the journal Collaboration. Today, Nature, Earth. There is a pleasure in the pathless woods. There is a rapture on the lonely shore. There is society where none intrudes by the deep sea, and music in its roar. I love not man the less, but nature more. Lord Byron. Those who dwell among the beauties and mysteries of the earth are never alone or weary of life. Rachel Carson. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. Albert Einstein. Nature is the art of God. Thomas Brown. Religio Medici, 1635. The creation of 1,000 forests is in one acorn. Ralph Waldo Emerson.